We have some great tips to maximise efficiency from your Ford and Doonan air conditioning system and help reduce your energy bills during the winter. Close the doors to those areas of the house you are not using. This directs the controlled air into the zones you want. If you have unused rooms with open zones, leave the doors slightly ajar so the pressurised air can flow back to the return air grill. Ensure all outdoor windows and doors are firmly shut so the warm air cannot escape. Drawing curtains provides another valuable layer of insulation. Using the timer function also saves money. Simply set the temperature to 21 degrees before you're due to wake up, then slowly raise the temperature. This is much more efficient than attempting to heat the entire house instantly.